Whoa, that's a lot. No way, dude.
Hey YouTube, it is me, Nicole Page. Welcome to my page. We are at the beach today. There's a little one running by, the hupster.
Picking my nose.
I don't know where. Oh, no, is that my kid? That ain't my kid. But yeah, we're just at the beach today. My mouth is swollen. The dentist beat me up today. Not today, the other day, in my mouth. And that he did. Yeah, so we're just chilling today at the beach, having a nice beach day. Little one right there. The oldest, the two boys right there. Let me fix my earring, y'all. But yeah, they're having a sandcastle contest way down there. We're gonna go after we have lunch and stuff and hang out on this side for a few hours.
Where are you going?
But other than that, yeah. Ella is really enjoying the beach this year. Last year, she was petrified of the water. She's petrified of the wet sands. She was petrified of the shells. She hated the beach, basically, besides the sands. But today, she's all over it. All over the place. In the water, thinking it's a pool. She could go. She's now running to I don't know where. Isaiah's chasing her. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us at the beach. We'll vlog as much as possible. We'll get as much as of the sandcastle competition as we can. If we don't film it because of the music, we'll put pictures and stuff. So yeah, just enjoy the day at the beach with us.
King Kong.
Yeah, oh yeah, the theme is King Kong. So it should be exciting to see them. See if she remembers. The beach is my happy place, y'all. It is freaking freezing. So beautiful. Some people are in the water. I'll get in the water in a little bit. We just got here. We're gonna have lunch on the beach. We're gonna chill out. And then after that, we're gonna walk up to the festival and show y'all all the sandcastles and stuff. Hupster. You got anything to say?
It's a very nice day at the beach.
Yeah.
I wish the water was as warm as it feels in the air.
Yeah, we'll get in it eventually. Did Ella find herself back to the blanket? Oh,
Yeah.
I see her. Here she comes. And goes the youngest son. Said the oldest. Sometimes he thinks he's the oldest. Say hi, Isaiah.
Oh, here she comes running down.
Hey guys.
Slow down, slow down.
She's so much more comfortable with the ocean water.
Yeah. Oh, the kid left the bucket there.
What is she doing with the water? Just dumping it?
I think so.
Does it ever make it to the blanket?
Yeah, she had some of it full by the time she got to the blanket the first time.
Nope, it didn't make it. Almost. Oh, she's coming back.
Ella, we're over here. You see all the shells?
So much more comfortable on the beach. Last year, she wouldn't even dare come down this far by herself.
No. That's all
But look at her go. Her little legs.
Get the water.
She's gonna throw her. All right. Throw her bucket. Babe, go get her bucket. Oh, she got it?
Oh, watch out!
You gonna make it up there? She don't care about us. She's like, I don't need you, Mom and Dad. I got my bro.
I hit!
The family.
I hit!
Are you getting pretty shells? Ella, are you getting pretty ones? She's like, don't judge my process.
You yogi! Myself.
Can you breathe still?
Right. Don't touch the dog. Where'd she go? We're gonna go look at the other ones. Don't start.
Oh my.
Oh, this one got destroyed. Alright guys, we are going to end this vlog here. We've been out all day since like 11:30 and it's like 6:30 right now.
Oh, yeah.
We try to show you as much as we can at the festival. Some of the sandcastles were messed up from the rain, but we got some footages. You can see there's like millions of people here, thousands, maybe million, and people still coming. So we're leaving before it gets hectic because there's always fights at this thing at night. And so we've been here for almost 7 hours and we're about to go home. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We will see you in the next one. Bye.